What's going on, boaters? We are in Barletta's all-new model, the Sanza 20L two-tube. This is going to be the perfect pontoon for you and your family this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your two bow couches, lots of in-seat storage in them, super easy to get at. You have your cup holders as well. Coming to the back, you have your L-shaped couch, but also you can flip the seat up, so now you have your co-captain seat, flip it down, and then you have your nice couch. This one goes to the back, so you can be facing the rear as well. Lots of in-seat storage back here. You have your captain's chair. You have your two analog gauges, your Lowrance Eagle 5 display, your JBL audio system in this boat. It is powered by a Mercury 90, so perfect little power for the little lake or whatever you're doing, just cruising. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's get you on the water this summer.